Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will guide you through setting up a Python integrated development environment, IDE, on Mac OS. We will focus on installing and configuring Visual Studio Code, one of the popular and versatile IDEs available for Python development. Visual Studio Code is highly extensible and provides excellent support for Python through extensions. Download Visual Studio Code. Go to the Visual Studio Code website and download the Mac OS version. Install Visual Studio Code. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and drag the Visual Studio Code icon to the Applications folder to install it. Mac OS comes with Python pre-installed, but it's recommended to install Python via the official Python website or using a package manager like Homebrew to have more control over the Python version and environment. Install Homebrew, optional if you prefer using Homebrew. You can install it by following the instructions on the Homebrew website. Install Python. Open Terminal and run one of the following commands to install Python using Homebrew or the official Python installer. Using Homebrew. Using the official Python installer, download the installer from the Python website and follow the installation instructions. After installing Python, you can verify the installation by running Python 3 version in terminal. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing cmd+shift+x. Search for Python in the Extensions Marketplace. Install the Python extension provided by Microsoft. Open a new or existing Python file, with a .py extension, in Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code will prompt you to install the recommended extensions for Python development. Click Install to proceed. Configure Python interpreter. You can now start coding in Python using Visual Studio Code. Let's write a simple Python script to test our setup. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, factorial.py. To run the Python script in Visual Studio Code, make sure the Python file is open in the editor. Press Ctrl+ backtick to open the integrated terminal. In the terminal, type Python filename.py and press Enter to execute the script. You should see the output printed in the terminal. Congratulations! You have successfully set up a Python IDE on Mac OS using Visual Studio Code. This tutorial covers the basic setup and configuration of Visual Studio Code for Python development on Mac OS. Feel free to explore more features and extensions available in Visual Studio Code to enhance your Python development experience. ChatGPT.